Hello everyone, and welcome back to the lesson. Today, we are going to look at 10 common English mistakes that many learners make. These mistakes are small, but fixing them can make your English sound much more natural and confident. Let's start with number 1. Number 1. I am agree. This is a very common mistake. In English, we do not say, I am agree. The correct sentence is, I agree. So remember, don't use am here. Just say, I agree. Number 2. I go to home. This sounds logical for many learners, but in English, we usually do not use to before home. The correct sentence is, I go home. For example, after work, I go home. Number 3. He don't like coffee. When the subject is he, she, or it, we use doesn't, not don't. So the correct sentence is, he doesn't like coffee. Repeat after me, he doesn't like coffee. Number 4. People is friendly. The word people is plural. That means we need to use are, not is. The correct sentence is, people are friendly. Number 5. She can to swim. After can, we use the base form of the verb. We do not use to. So don't say, she can to swim. Say, she can swim. Number 6. I have 25 years old. In English, when we talk about age, we use am, not have. The correct sentence is, I am 25 years old. You can also say, I'm 25. That sounds very natural. Number 7. I look forward to see you. After the expression, look forward to, we use the ing form of the verb. So the correct sentence is, I look forward to seeing you. This is especially useful in emails and formal messages. Number 8. Yesterday I go to school. The word, yesterday, tells us that we are talking about the past. So we need the past form of the verb. Go becomes went. The correct sentence is, yesterday I went to school. Number 9. Explain me this. This is not the natural word order in English. The correct sentence is, explain this to me. So remember the structure. Explain something to someone. Number 10. I don't have much books. The word books is countable and plural. With countable plural nouns, we usually use many, not much. The correct sentence is, I don't have many books. Great job. Today, we corrected 10 common English mistakes. Try to practice these sentences out loud, because the more you repeat them, the more natural they will become. If this lesson was helpful, like the video and subscribe for more simple English lessons. See you in the next video.